Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I've got these Anvil Cutters, and I think I want to clean them up a little bit. I actually already used a punch to try to tighten them up because they were a little wobbly, and I think I hit it one time too many because it's a little bit tight, and I'm not sure how to fix that, but we'll keep moving forward. And the casting on these handles is very rough, so I want to try to fix that. And this little bitty chip in the end of this thing, I think I'm going to try to reprofile that very tip. Hope I don't screw it up, but if I do, I do. You know, you learn by doing, I guess. So let's get started. Well, I'm going to say that I'm finished on that one. You know, I pushed myself a little bit harder on this one than I usually do, and just because I tend to not sand enough, and I leave pits, and I'm always worried that I'm going to overdo it. But on this one, I just decided, you know what, just go for it. And I'm really pleased that I did. You know, I used the angle grinder to get most of the rough stuff, and then just kind of worked my way down. But one of the things that was really handy was this angle grinder, not angle grinder, die grinder. I was able to use the sanding wheel on here to focus on individual spots that needed help, and then once I got that all fixed, then I could go over to the belt sander and kind of smooth everything out. But anyway, take a look, let me show you. So here's how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. These handles are very, very smooth, and there's a few little wobbles in them, but you know, for the most part, I think it looks pretty good. This has one or two little tiny pit holes in it, but not much. This one has nothing on this side. That's, I guess, where it was peened, and that's where I hit it to tighten it. But the thing I'm most proud of is if you look at this right here, this is where I reprofiled the end. Gosh darn it, that looks really, really good. And it's very, very smooth. And I'm really proud of myself. So we'll see you next time. Thanks.